Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and today I would be your examiner for this part of the test. This test would be recorded. What is your full name?
My full name is Chamandeep Kaur.
How may I call you?
You can call me by my first name Chaman.
May I see your identification, Chaman?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, where do you come from, Chaman?
I come from a small town, Tohana, that is located in Haryana.
Can you describe it a little?
Yes, ma'am. It is a small town. It has many canals and it has many parks.
Okay. Do you like this place?
Yes, I like this place very much because people are very friendly here.
Are you working or studying?
I had recently completed my graduations and I am seeking further to go to Canada for my further education.
Okay. Few questions will be based on eating chocolate, Chaman. How often do you eat chocolates?
I'm very keen on eating chocolate, so I usually eat 2 to 3 chocolates per week.
Okay. What is your favorite chocolate? May I know?
Yes, ma'am. My favorite chocolate is chocolate with almonds and raisins.
Okay. Is chocolate expensive in India?
No, I don't think so. Chocolate is expensive in India. That is, chocolate in India is produced by many local industries also. They are not very expensive.
Is chocolate popular in your country?
Yes, chocolate is very popular. Not only the local industry, but international chocolates are also available in India.
Okay. Few questions will be based on spending time on your own. Do you usually spend time by yourself?
Yes, I prefer to spend time alone. I think it's very important for introspection.
How?
If we give time to ourselves, then we are able to know ourselves. So we may judge ourselves that we are doing wrong or right. So that is important.
Okay. What did you do last time when you were by yourself?
I wrote a diary and I listened to the music.
Okay. Do you like spending time by yourself?
Yes, I love to spend time by myself, and I usually do things like writing poetry or diary.
Why?
Because it takes away all my stress of my hectic schedule and I feel very relaxed.
Okay. What do you do except these activities when you spend time by yourself?
Except these activities, I prefer to go for a walk or sometimes I dance also.
Good. Okay, Chaman, this is your cue card and you will be given 1 minute to prepare your answer. If you want to make notes, you can. This is paper and pencil. You will be given 1 minute and you will have to speak 2 minutes for this part of the cue card. Okay, Chaman, your time starts now.
Since my childhood, my father used to wake me up, so I'm habitual to wake up during the first blush. Usually, I wake up before the crack of the dawn, but today I would like to describe a time when I had to wake up just after the midnight. I vividly remember me and my friends planned to go to Ladakh. In order to reach there, we booked a train from Chandigarh at 4 a.m. Before this, I have to travel 3 more hours because Chandigarh is that away from my home and I have to start my journey from my home. In order to reach there, either I have to do a cab or a bus. As there was no bus available at that time, my father booked a cab a day before yesterday. After that, I put up an alarm of 12:30 as I had to start my journey at 1 a.m. The next day I overslept. When the driver rang the doorbell, I woke up then. I was very bewildered as I had not done my packing. In the hurry, I left my charger at home only, and when I sat in the cab, I saw that my charging of the phone is very less. So that 3 hours were very monotonous. I had nothing to do and I didn't know the driver much, so I don't have any conversation topic to talk to him also. after that I reached there. As the point I reached there, my all the feeling of boredom flew away. There was so much exhilaration in the air. My friends were there, and during the journey, as the journey started, we were very excited. We make a lot of noises. We played a lot of games. We played games like Tambola. We sang so many songs. At the end of the day, when we reached Ladakh, I thought it was worthy to got up early.
Okay. Thank you. Now this is time to ask some follow-up questions. Do you know anyone who likes to get up early?
Yes, in my family, all my family members get up early in the morning. My mother used to pray by getting up early. My father go to a walk, and my brother prefer to study in the early morning only.
Okay. Why do people get up early?
People get up early to some children prefer to study early in the morning because they feel more concentrated, whereas some people prefer to do exercise in the early morning. They feel the much good in the fresh air of the early morning. Some working ladies used to get up early in the morning because they have to finish the household chores before going to the work.
Okay. And why some people dislike getting up early in the morning?
Some people dislike getting up early in the morning because they have schedule of the late night. So I don't think so it is very healthy for them to wake up early.
What kind of situations need people to arrive early?
There are many situations. For children, they have to arrive early at their school. For the business people, sometimes they have to attend meetings, and for health consultancy also, sometimes people have to arrive early.
Do you think it's good to get up early in the morning?
Yes, I definitely agree with this point, because in the morning time you get time to yourself. There is nothing else to do. All the whole world is sleeping, so you can concentrate more on yourself. You can make up some extra time for yourself by doing healthy activities like exercise or any other household chores.
Why do some people like to stay up late?
Some people like to stay up late because they cannot get up early in the morning, so they prefer to finish their work late night only. Some people like the night hours, so they like to spend some time alone in the night hours.
Why?
Because that time whole world is sleeping, so they find that time very peaceful.
How?
Because there are no noises from the surrounding and no traffic noises, so it is very peaceful for them to concentrate, and maybe they can write their diaries, or they can focus more on their studies.
Do you think only early mornings and late nights are the peaceful for people?
No, I didn't think so. This is correct, because any time in which you are totally present and you are happy from your heart, that is peaceful.